Sleep is an important topic for humans because we all know that a good night's sleep is essential to work the next day. But do you know how sleep is for animals? Well, in today's video, that's what we're about to talk about. Tune in to find out the most interesting facts about sleep in the animal kingdom. Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now, without any further delay, let's get straight into it. Let's talk about giraffes first. Giraffes are unique in the animal kingdom for sleeping on their rumps. These towering creatures require very little sleep, only about 30 minutes a day, making them the least sleep-dependent animals. Giraffes fold their hind legs beneath them and tuck their front legs under their elongated bodies to create a cushioned surface to support their large frames. They are able to sleep in this position without any danger of tumbling from their high perch due to their innate equilibrium. While this sleep posture may seem precarious, giraffes are well adapted to their sleep routine, proving that rest is not just about quantity, but quality as well. This curious and fascinating phenomenon has puzzled researchers for years, and the giraffe's unique sleep habits continue to fascinate and intrigue animal lovers around the world. Horses are known for sleeping while standing up, but they can also sleep lying down, and sometimes even on their back. This is a sign of deep relaxation and a feeling of safety and comfort in their environment. Horses have a special arrangement of ligaments and tendons in their legs that enable them to lock their joints and support their weight while lying down, allowing them to conserve energy and avoid the strain of standing for long periods of time. Although it is relatively uncommon for horses to sleep on their back, it is a fascinating insight into their physiology and behavior. Moving on, let's talk about a creature in the animal kingdom who turns their brains off while sleeping. Dolphins are known to sleep with one half of their brain turned off, while the other half remains awake and alert. This type of sleep is called unihemispheric sleep and allows dolphins to rest while staying aware of their surroundings. During this sleep pattern, the active half of the brain controls the opposite side of the body, allowing dolphins to surface for air regularly. This unique sleep pattern also allows dolphins to stay alert for potential threats. Dolphins typically sleep for a few hours a day and may engage in logging, where they remain motionless at the surface of the water with their eyes closed. Overall, dolphins' ability to sleep with half their brains turned off is one of many fascinating adaptations that allow them to thrive in their ocean environment. Bears hibernate during the winter months, which is a state of decreased metabolic activity, heart rate, and body temperature that allows them to conserve energy. Some species of bears can even give birth during hibernation. Although they don't eat or drink during hibernation, they can still produce urine and feces, which their bodies recycle to conserve energy. Black bears are not true hibernators and experience a less deep state of sleep called torpor, which makes them easier to rouse from sleep. During hibernation, bears' bones and muscles deteriorate less than humans do when we are bedridden for a similar length of time. They can lose up to a third of their body weight during hibernation, which they regain when they come out of hibernation in the spring. Finally, bears are not fully asleep during hibernation and can be roused by loud noises or disturbances, so it is important to be aware of your surroundings when hiking in bear country during the winter. Are you familiar with bullfrogs? They don't sleep at all. Bullfrogs have a unique resting pattern that suggests they may not need to sleep at all. Instead, they enter a state of torpor similar to hibernation, where their metabolic rate decreases significantly to conserve energy. Bullfrogs are aquatic animals, and their resting pattern may be related to their environment and the lack of risks they face from predators. Warmer temperatures in the environment may also play a role in their need for sleep. This fascinating discovery raises questions about the importance of sleep for different species and highlights the need for further research to better understand the nature of sleep. Dormouse, a small mammal native to Europe, can sleep for 11 months. The dormouse, a small mammal native to Europe, is capable of hibernating up to 11 months out of the year. During hibernation, their metabolic rate drops significantly, and their body temperature matches the surrounding environment to conserve energy. This ability is a survival mechanism that helps dormice cope with the seasonal changes and food scarcity during the winter months. They briefly awaken every few weeks to urinate and defecate to prevent waste buildup in their bodies. The dormouse's hibernation adaptation is impressive and allows them to survive and thrive in their natural habitat, Do you know what dreams dogs have? Research suggests that dogs dream, and larger dogs tend to have longer dream periods than smaller dogs. This is due to the larger size of their brains and more complex neural networks, which require more time to process information during sleep. They may process information and memories from their waking life, replay experiences, learn new skills, or process emotions. Dogs may also dream about chasing or being chased, which is a common instinctual behavior. The insight into canine sleep patterns provides an interesting parallel to human sleep, and further research may reveal more about the role of dreams in a dog's life and how they relate to their waking experiences. Ducks sleep with one eye open and one side of their brain alert, which allows them to stay partially aware of their surroundings while still getting the rest they need. This ability is due to the special kind of sleep that ducks have called unihemispheric sleep, where one half of their brain is asleep while the other half remains awake. This type of sleep is common among birds and marine animals, helping them to maintain awareness of potential threats while still getting the rest they need. The reason for this behavior is thought to be a survival mechanism that helps ducks avoid being caught off guard by predators. The ability to sleep with one eye open is an interesting adaptation that highlights the unique ways that animals have evolved to survive in their environments. And it also emphasizes the importance of rest and vigilance for animals in the wild. Animals are usually cute, but what is even cute about sea otters is that they sleep holding hands. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to prevent them from becoming separated from their group, which can be dangerous in the wild. This behavior is thought to be related to the fact that sea otters are a social species that rely on companionship for survival. Additionally, sea otters have a high metabolism and need to conserve energy. By holding hands with a partner while sleeping, they can rest without having to actively swim, allowing them to conserve energy and stay in one place to search for food later. This behavior highlights the unique ways that animals have evolved to survive in their environments, and it emphasizes the importance of social bonds and companionship for certain species, which can play a crucial role in their survival. Octopuses have the ability to change color and texture to camouflage themselves in their surroundings. Recent research has shown that octopuses continue to change color while they sleep, despite being unconscious. This is due to their unique nervous system, which is distributed throughout their 8 arms rather than centralized in their brain. This allows the nerve cells in the arms to remain active, enabling the octopus to change color and texture while sleeping. This behavior is thought to be a form of protection, allowing the octopus to blend in with its surroundings and avoid detection by predators. Additionally, changing color while sleeping may help the octopus communicate with other members of its species. The fact that octopuses continue to change color while sleeping provides insight into their complex physiology and behavior, and further research may reveal more about the role of color changes in their lives. That's it for today's video. If you have any pets, let us know the interesting facts about their sleep in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video.